There's no doubt that the Ryker is quick and nimble, making it an absolutely fun bike to ride. However, it has been said that it's not the best for longer rides. The inability to stretch out your legs can cause numbness or tingling in the feet, as well as tension on both the knees and lower back. To address this issue, we partnered up with the team over at Showchrome to bring you a set of cast aluminum highway pegs so that you can stretch your legs out on your next ride. These highway pegs are available in an all-black smooth satin finish, as well as black with silver accents. Designed with comfort in mind, these highway pegs feature rubber O-rings to dampen vibrations and keep your feet firmly in place. They're also adjustable, allowing you to set the orientation of the pegs to the position that's most comfortable for your particular leg length. The installation is 100% bolt-on and includes all stainless steel hardware. Allow us to walk you through the installation on our Shop 2022 Ryker Rally.
Before you begin, make sure that your Ryker is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Remove your hood and disconnect any lighting plugs if applicable. Unhook one corner of the front fascia so that you can carefully lift it up to access and remove the push pin underneath. You'll also need to remove 2 additional push pins in these locations here. If your Ryker is equipped with this filler panel, pull the top of the panel away from the seat and lift it up to remove it. Pull the front portion of the rocker panel away from the bike to release the metal retention clip holding the front of the panel in place. On the rearmost section of the panel, place your hands in these locations and apply pressure inward with your thumbs so that you can rotate the back side of the panel towards you to release the plastic tab holding the panel in place. Then slide the panel forward to remove it from the bike. There is no left or right hand side when it comes to installing the highway pegs. They're interchangeable, depending on whether or not you want the highway pegs closer to you or further away. Once you determine which peg orientation is right for you, add removable thread lock to 4 of the included stainless steel mounting bolts. Then grab the highway peg you selected for this side of the bike and place it on the back side of the frame tube. Slide it all the way forward so that you can install the aluminum clamp with the 4 stainless steel bolts, finger tight for now. Now carefully slide the highway peg assembly back until the clamp is 1 inch away from the engine mount plate. Make sure that the inner face of the highway peg is vertical so that you'll have adequate clearance when reinstalling the plastic body panel later in the video. Then go back through and tighten down your hardware with a 5mm Allen wrench. But don't tighten the bolts down all the way just yet, so that you can kick your feet up in the seated position to make sure that you're happy with the position of the highway peg you've selected. If everything looks good, go back through and tighten down the 4 bolts the rest of the way. Next, remove the backing film from the included foam pad and carefully lift your hardline away from the clamp so that you can adhere the foam pad between the clamp and the hardline. Ensure that your forward and reverse lever does not come in contact with the highway peg. Then reinstall your factory body panel and push pins reattach the corner of the front fascia, and if your bike is equipped, reinstall this plastic filler panel. Moving on to the right throttle side of the bike, start by unhooking the back corner of the front fascia so that you can carefully lift it up to access and remove the push pin underneath. You'll also need to remove 2 additional push pins in these locations here. If your Ryker is equipped with this filler panel, pull the top of the panel away from the seat and lift it up to remove it. Pull the front portion of the rocker panel away from the bike to release the metal retention clip holding the front of the panel in place. On the rearmost section of the panel, place your hands in these locations and apply pressure inward with your thumbs so that you can rotate the back side of the panel towards you to release the plastic tab holding the panel in place. Then slide the panel forward to remove it from the bike. Cut the zip tie on the connector located here and use a flathead screwdriver to lift up on this clip so that you can slide the black connector out. Slide the locking tab to the end of the plug, then squeeze the tab so that you can disconnect the plug. Carefully pull this metal hanger away from the Ryker to create a gap, so that you can pass the plug and wiring through and reconnect on the back side of the frame tube. Then slide the locking tab back into place. Reposition the black connector down to the lower frame tube and fasten it in place with the included zip tie. Add removable thread lock to the 4 remaining stainless steel mounting bolts. Then grab your remaining highway peg and place it on the back side of the frame tube so that you can install the clamp with the 4 stainless steel bolts, finger tight for now. Ensure that the clamp is 1 inch away from the engine mount plate, and make sure that the inner face of the highway peg is vertical so that you'll have adequate clearance when reinstalling the plastic body panel later in the video. Then go back through and snug down your hardware with a 5mm Allen wrench, and press the metal hanger back in towards the bike. In order to reinstall the plastic body panel on this side of the bike, you'll need to lift up on the foot peg so that you can pull out on the brake pedal and rotate it towards the ground. Reinstall your body panel, then lift your brake pedal back into position and lower your foot peg until it locks into place. Reinsert the factory push pins, reattach the corner of the front fascia, and if your bike is equipped, reinstall this plastic filler panel. Lastly, reinstall your hood, making sure to connect any lighting plugs if applicable.
If you're ready to take your riding experience to the next level and add both style and comfort to your Ryker, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to add a set of highway pegs to your ride. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe so you can keep getting great content just like this. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.